What training is required for the crematory operator? Operating a cremation retort requires specialized training to ensure safety, efficiency, and compliance with legal and ethical standards. At FT North America, we emphasize that well-trained operators are essential to maintaining trust with families and keeping your cremation business running smoothly. Here's a look at the training requirements and what you need to know. Number 1, certification programs. Most states require crematory operators to complete a certification program before they can oversee cremations. The Cremation Association of North America and the International Cemetery Cremation and Funeral Association are two widely recognized organizations offering comprehensive training programs. These certifications typically cover safe operation of the cremation chamber, proper handling, tracking, and identification of remains, emissions management and environmental compliance, ethical and legal considerations for crematory operations. Certification programs can usually be completed in a short period, often in 1 to 2 days, and are available both in person and online. Number 2, state-specific licensing requirements. Each state has its own licensing and training regulations for crematory operators. Some states require operators to pass a state-administered exam, while others mandate proof of completion of an approved program like CANA or ICCFA. It's essential to check with your local regulatory body to ensure compliance. Number 3, on-the-job training. Formal certification is only part of the process. Practical, hands-on experience is equally important. During an on-the-job training program, operators learn day-to-day procedures for operating the cremation system, safety protocols, including handling emergency shutdowns, maintenance procedures to keep the cremation equipment in top condition, and managing workflow efficiently, including proper staging and cooling of remains. Experienced mentors or supervisors often play a key role in teaching operators how to manage the cremation process smoothly and respectfully. Number 4, ongoing education. To stay current with regulations and advancements in cremation systems, operators should pursue continuing education. Topics include updated emission standards, new technologies in cremation retorts and cremation machines, best practices for handling special cases such as oversized remains or medical implants. The role of proper training. Proper training ensures that operators maintain safety for themselves and the facility, provide dignified professional care to families, comply with environmental and legal requirements, extend the life of the cremation chamber through proper use and maintenance. At FT North America, we don't just supply high-quality cremation equipment. We help guide you in understanding training requirements, connecting you with industry-recognized programs, and ensuring your operators are set up for success. If you're starting a cremation business, training your staff the right way is one of the best investments you can make. Let us know how we can help.